Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and a popular platform called Spocket. Now, if you're new to dropshipping, it's essentially a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory yourself. The supplier stores, packages, and ships the items directly to your customer. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing, with all these dropshipping platforms popping up, there's always a question mark: are they free to use? Especially when it comes to Spocket, with its vast product library and enticing features. So, the burning question we're all asking, does Spocket charge a fee? Well, buckle up, dropshipping entrepreneurs, because the answer is both yes and no. Here's the breakdown. Spocket does offer a free plan, but there's a free plan available, which is excellent for testing the waters. You get access to millions of products, connect your store to Spocket, and even fulfill a limited number of orders, 25 to be exact. It's a fantastic way to experiment with dropshipping and see if Spocket fits your needs. However, the free plan has limitations. You can only add a small chunk of products to your store, which might restrict your customer offerings. Plus, you won't have access to some valuable features like branded invoicing or premium product suggestions. Paid plans unlock the full potential. This is where Spocket's paid plans come in. They offer a tiered system, starting with the starter plan and progressing to Pro and Empire plans. Each plan unlocks additional features and increases your product import limit. The starter plan, at $24 per month, lets you import 250 unique products, perfect for getting your online store rolling. You also gain access to 24/7 chat support, which is crucial for any bumps you might encounter on the dropshipping road. The Pro plan, at $49 per month, or $29 if you choose annual billing, takes things a step further. Imagine having access to chat directly with suppliers for order-related queries. Plus, you can leverage branded invoicing, a vital tool for building brand recognition. Now, the Empire plan, priced at $99 per month, is designed for high-volume dropshippers. It allows you to import a whopping 10,000 products and offers priority support, ensuring you get the fastest assistance when needed. But wait, there's more: transaction fees. Here's an important point to remember: on top of the subscription fees, Spocket charges transaction fees for each order you fulfill. This fee covers the cost of processing payments through Stripe, a secure payment gateway. It's a standard 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which is something to factor into your pricing strategy. So, is Spocket worth the fee? The answer depends on your dropshipping goals. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, the free plan is a great starting point. But if you're serious about building a successful dropshipping business, a paid plan unlocks valuable features that can significantly streamline your operations and boost your sales potential. Here's a quick tip: when choosing a plan, consider the number of products you plan to sell and the features you find most valuable. Don't be afraid to start small and upgrade your plan as your business grows. The final verdict: Spocket offers a cost-effective solution for dropshippers. While there is a free plan with limitations, the paid plans provide a robust feature set and can be a worthwhile investment for serious entrepreneurs. Just remember to factor in the transaction fees when calculating your profit margins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.